So, eto na po, conclusion na po tayo nung biscuits slash crackers experiment po natin, no? So, tatlong biscuits po yung tinry natin for this particular series. So, meron po tayong Skyflakes. I think this is marked 25 grams. Yung Ribisco po is 33 grams. Yung Ritz po, malaki po yung pack nito. So, what I did was tinimbang ko na lang po siya manually. And 30 grams po yung kinain po natin na Ritz. So, una po nating tinry would be yung Skyflakes. All-time favorite na Skyflakes, no? So, baka po magulat kayo. One pack lang po itong kinain ko, 25 grams. Nag-start po yung blood sugar natin at 105. It went up to 154. Eventually, after 2 hours, bumaba din naman po siya at 109. Next po si Ribisco. Yon. So, one pack din lang po ito. 33 grams po yung weight niya. 118 po yung start ng blood sugar. Umakyat po siya ng 174 and eventually nag-137 po siya after 2 hours. Si Ritz, surprisingly, kasi ano po te, I think yung flavor po nito is sour cream. So, medyo salty po siya na creamy. So pagka creamy, medyo may tamis, parang naglalaban po yung tamis and alat po niya. So nag-start po tayo at 109 na blood sugar level. Parang nag-flatten lang siya, 111 lang yung inakyat niya, tapos umakyat pa ng konti, 115, and eventually bumaba na po yan eh. So sobrang minimal lang po nung blood spike ni Ritz. So pag pinlat po natin yan, yung blood spikes po niya, si Skyflex po plus 49, si Ribisco plus 56, and si Ritz plus 2 lang po siya. So again, I would recommend yung Ritz kung naghahanap po kayo ng kakainin between meals. Let's say magutom kayo between breakfast and lunch or lunch and dinner. Yung merienda po kung tawagin, no? So I would recommend Ritz. Pero you have to take note na 30 grams lang po itong kinain ko. So you have to limit your intake. Otherwise, mag-iiba po yung blood sugar spike po niyan. So yun lang po for this experiment and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.